All right, this is going to be Julia by the Beatles, by John Lennon. We're going to have a C chord here with a little 3 on the bottom added to it. We got a capo on the 2nd fret. And we're going to have a particular picking pattern that stays the same all the way through the whole song. So once you get this picking pattern down, you really just put in different chord shapes. So it makes it a lot easier than having like different picking patterns all over the place. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have the 5th string and the 1st play at the same time. And then we're going to have the D string to the G string. Now I'm going to pull this bass up to the G up here, hit that big string, and then we got 2nd string to 4th string. That's our whole picking pattern. So 5 and 1 at the same time, and then 4, 3, 6, 2, 4 as far as string numbers. So try to get used to that pattern, like I say. It's just going to be switching different chords. Now the 2nd chord is going to be an A minor. We're going to keep that 3 down on the bottom, so it's an A minor 7. Same picking, and then we're going to have an E minor. We're going to pull these 2s up here. We're going to do that twice. And that's what I refer to as part A of the song. So we're going to do part A one more time, and then the second time we do part A, there's going to be a G for the last bar instead of 2 E minors in a row. That's the only kind of change. So here goes part A again. A minor 7, E minor 7 twice. Start it again. Now this time, E minor to G. Okay, so that does our part A twice, and then we get into part B. It's going to start out the same with the C and the A minor. But now we're coming into a G minor 7. So we got bar all of these 3s and get a 5 here on the 5th string. Now after that one, we're going to put a pinky down here and get a G minor 9. Okay, so that was 5th fret on the bottom there with the pinky. So from that G minor 7, G minor 9. Now we're coming up to A7, 5, 7, 5, 6, 5, 5. Same picking, do that twice. Now we're going to move into this, it's like a F7 with a little 3 on the bottom here. So we got same picking. Now we're going to switch to this. We're going to have like a F minor 7 here, but with a 4 on the very bottom. Okay, so let's look at those 2 one more time. Okay, then we get back into part A. It's going to have the G at the end. And then we're back into part B again. A minor 7. We got G minor 7. A7. Twice. And we're back to this F7 looking thing. And then we're back into the A part. And it will have a G at the end again. Okay, now we're into the part where we do C twice. And then we're going to get into B minor. So that's 2, 4, 4, 3, 2. And we got to go to that extra bass note too. So we'll do that twice. So let's look at everything so far. We got part A. Twice on E minor. Part A again. E minor to G. And then we start part B. It's going to have the G minor. G minor 9. A7. And then this F7. Part A again. It's going to end with the G. And then we're back to part B again. G minor. A7. So this would be like kind of an F7-9 thing. And then an F minor type thing. Then we got part A again. With a G at the end. Now we do the double C. And then double B minor. Now we're going to do double C again. Now we're going to do A minor 7 again. To an A minor 6. So I just moved that 3 down to the 2 with the pinky there. So we got. Now we're going to have like a E minor 7. So here we switch a little bit because we're playing the second string for our high note now. Everything else is the same. We're going to go down chromatic here. So it's going to be open, 2, 2, open, 3. And then it's going to be down to the 2. And then it's going to be down to the 1. And then to the open, all on that B string. So we got 3, 2, 1, open. Okay, so one more time on this new part, we have double C into double B minor. Here goes B minor twice, and then C twice, A minor 7, A minor 6, and then we have this E minor 7 going down chromatic. And then we're back to part B. Has the G minor, A7. We got this one. Part A with the G at the end. Then we got double C again. Now we're back to part A. This is going to have the double E minor. Now we'll do it again, and it'll go to the G at the end. There goes G. Now we're back to part B again, getting towards the end. Part A with a G at the end. Part B again. Now we're getting to the full outro here. This is going to go C, A minor 7, E minor, right back to C, back to E minor, C, E minor, G, and then we have a C major 7, 3, 3, 2, open, open, open. Kind of rake up that one there. Okay, so let's review everything we have so far. So we've got the beginning, part A, E minor twice, back to part A, but it'll have a G at the end. Part B comes in now. Part A ends with a G, and then we do all of part B again right there, and then we have this double C, double B minor, double C again, and then we have the A minor 7 to A minor 6, and then we have this E minor 7, where we're taking that B string for a chromatic walk down here. 2, 1, open. And then we repeat part B again. That's the one with the G minor. And then we have another part A, and then we have a double C, and then let's say we'll do that double C go out. So part A again. This one has 2 E minors. And then we do it again. It'll have the G at the end. And then we repeat part B. Got our part A thing. Ends with a G. And then we we do the part B thing again, and then we have our outro. Let's look at this outro. So this is all on the tab, so check out this tab. It'll help out a lot. So we got C, A minor 7, E minor, right back to C, E minor, C, E minor, and then G, and then we got that C major 7. Julia by John Lennon, Beatles from the White Album. Hope you dug that. Like I say, there is a tab. Thanks for watching Damon with Guitar Lessons. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you soon. Thanks a lot.